Okay, I've got this Husqvarna backpack blower. It's the 125 BT, and they tell me it used to run great, and then all of a sudden it started being hard to start and would barely idle. And so I'm going to take a look at it. I've already I've removed the long extension here just to make it a little easier to handle. And I went ahead and dumped out the fuel and put in some new fuel. And I'm going to go ahead and try and start it now and see. The fuel looked okay to me, but I went ahead and put in some fresh fuel. So I'm going to start there and see what I can find out. It's got a on-off switch here, and I've got it in the on position. It's got a throttle here that seems to work fine. So we'll get started right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the choke on, and I'm going to prime the carburetor here. That looks like it's working fine. I can see bubbles down inside. I've got this tank full, and I can see the fuel inside this bulb here, and that all sounds normal. So I'm going to go ahead and try and start it now. Go ahead and try and start it and see if the switch is on. Choke is on. Give it a little throttle here. Does not sound like it's even wanting to start. It smells like it's flooded. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the plug out. Let's see what that looks like. The plug looks dry, but very strange that the gap seems huge. And I don't believe the gap, I don't know what the specs are, but I don't believe the gap should be that large. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. I think, I'm not used to seeing gaps on plugs being this large. Usually they're kind of tight. I'm gonna close it in. That looks about normal to me. We'll see what happens. That's better. Well, that's a better result. I think the plug is the issue. I'm going to look up the spec and see what the plug is supposed to be. It didn't look like it wanted to idle, but that's okay. Got it running anyway. I'm going to try to close the gap on the plug a little bit more. A little hot there. Let's see how it likes that. I might have to go get my gapping tool. Check it out, but I think I'm on the right path here. I don't know why the gap got large. Maybe it looked like a big electrode. Maybe it just, over time, it just fell away. Don't know. Never seen it before. Give it some throttle.